advance Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year, advance Happy New Year, guys. So, yeah, I don't know why I'm smiling right now. So, today's video, I'll be showing you my best eyeshadow palette. So, I'm going to categorize. I'm going to categorize them into like shades, like colorful bright shades, purple, plummy shades, and then my neutral, my favorite warm tone neutral shades. So I have a lot to show you guys, so that's why I decided to like categorize them into different tones. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. So if before I'm going to show you guys the palettes, my best eyeshadow palettes of 2020, at least there's something good, something good about 2020. If you like to watch makeup reviews of new makeup products, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you are a makeup enthusiast, if you're a makeup lover like myself, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now let's go get started. First, I'm going to show you my colorful, bright shades that are very easy to use, very pigmented, not patchy. I have one from the drugstore that I'm going to show you guys that I really like. This has got to be like my favorite colorful palette from the drugstore. So I have 5 eyeshadow palettes to show you. So this one is the most is the not the most expensive one. Is this like the affordable one, the colorful affordable palette. You can also buy Beige Cosmetics, but I haven't bought anything from Beige Cosmetics, but I do have one from this brand, Wet n Wild. So this is the Bretman Rock by Wet n Wild. This has got to be the best formulation, the best eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild, because I tried their eyeshadow palettes before and I did not like them. This is the only one that I really like. I love the colorful shades. You can see, oh my god, and they are very easy to use. Although this one is a little patchy, but you know what, for $15, I think $15 for this. Very easy to use, very pigmented, and the shimmer shades in here are amazing, guys. For $15, I don't know what I did with this palette. I did my first impressions of this one when this one came out, I think almost a year ago, and I love Bretman Rock. He's so funny. So this one is amazing from the drugstore. So I have mostly from the indie brands. So I love my indie brands. I love my luxury high-end brands too. So I have 5 more palettes to show you guys. So this one is the Rare Beauty, and this one also same concept of the Charlotte Tilbury luxury palettes. So this one doesn't have matte shades, all like metallic shades, but they are very beautiful on the eyes, very easy to blend, and I like the story behind this brand. Another one is the Uma Beauty. Oh my goodness, this one, oh my goodness, so pigmented. This is a black owned makeup brand. I heard this is like the best palette from this brand. If anything, guys, get this one if you're into colorful shades. The warm tone shades and the shimmers are also so beautiful. Another one from an indie brand again, Alamar Cosmetics. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty, very inexpensive, easy to blend. You can see purple shades in here. I already did my first impressions of these, so I'm not gonna do swatches because it's gonna be, this video is gonna be way too long. I got my Beetlejuice eyeshadow palettes from Mel Cosmetics. I like this one a little bit more, but I don't know why, but I like this one. I've been really trying, and I like the metallic shades, but the matches in here are a little bit difficult to work with because they are just a tiny bit patchy, but the metallics are really nice. Not very versatile in my opinion, but I love the metallic shades in here. This one is my favorite Beetlejuice eyeshadow palette from Mel Cosmetics. This one I love purples, and the purples in here are very easy to work with. And oh my god, the metallics also are really nice. So these are my colorful bright, these are my, also those are, sorry, my colorful or bright eyeshadow palettes. My favorite colorful bright eyeshadow palettes. So next are my purple plummy shades. I already showed you guys the purple one, this one. So I'm just gonna continue with my purple or plummy shades. So next, oh my goodness, this is gonna be like number one on my purple like group. This one is the Pat McGrath oh my goodness, I almost dropped it. Pat McGrath Labs Marisha Mega Celestial Divinity Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my god, amazing. She has one of the best shimmers out there. I love her shimmers. Are very beautiful on the eyes. Very nice. Oh my god. Look at this beautiful palette. Oh my god, look at the purple shades, the shimmers. I don't care about the mattes in here. I just want the shimmers and the metallics, especially the shimmers are the best out there in my opinion. Next one, oh my god, this has got to be like the easiest, like plummy purple eyeshadow palette. Another Milk Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is the she's in Parties. Oh my goodness, guys. This one completely blew me away. The easiest purple plummy eyeshadow palette in my collection. I don't have that many, but this one has got to be the easiest, like purple, like way better than Huda Beauty Naughty Nude eyeshadow palette. I just have to say that. But the metallics are a little dull for me, but the mattes, oh my goodness, these matte shades in here, especially this one, oh my goodness, dark plummy shades are really, like in general, really hard to um formulate, very hard to work with. But this one, oh my goodness, guys, this is so pretty, very easy to blend, not patchy at all. I just do not like so much the metallic shades. They're kind of dull, but the mattes, oh my goodness, are so pretty. Oh, obsessed with this one, obsessed. And then another one is this one. Look at my third favorite one. This is the Naughty Nude eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. When actually I'm wearing today, I am wearing three shades from the palette and then one shade from the Lunar Beauty. So I am wearing this one, right? No, Hypnotic, and these two shades in here. The mattes in here are just a tiny bit patchy, but still very, very workable. And her metallics are really nice, like cream to powder formulation. This one I personally don't care for this. I just wish it was like a metallic, another metallic shadow, because this, I mean, it's not doing anything for me, this one right here. But the metallic shades are really, really pretty. Got these beautiful shades, guys. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I think those are like my purple plummy shades. I don't have that many. I have a new one from Vice Art, but I'm still like using it, so it's not enough. I don't, know yet, so I'm still testing that out. And the Nabla Cosmetics side by side eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to show you are my neutral warm tone shades, like my favorite shades. I have a lot to show you. So first I'm going to show you guys the Jackie Aina by ABH. This one has purple shades, so as you can see, guys, but most like warm tone shades. The masks are very easy to use. They are very powdery if you are familiar with ABH, or very powdery, but very easy to blend, very pigmented. And the shimmers, oh my goodness, the shimmers and metallics are amazing. I mean, this one, I'm not sure if you can still buy this palette, but if you do, guys, go get this one. I highly recommend this one from ABH by Jackie Aina collaboration. And then next, this is not exactly like a neutral warm. It's a peachy palette, but one tone peachy palette. Oh my goodness, this has got to be my favorite peachy palette. I talk about this one on my channel. So this is the Corde Rosa from Sigma Beauty, the best not purple, peachy eyeshadow palette. I like this one way better than their other one. I don't have it. I mean, I personally still do not like that palette, but this one, guys, is amazing. Good formulation. Oh my god, very pigmented. You do not need to dip your brush 3 times. You can only, you can dip your brush once or twice, because the shadows in here are so beautiful, pigmented. Amazing from Sigma Beauty. And next one is, oh sorry, I got this one here. Also the Laura Cosmetics, my first palette from Laura Cosmetics. So these are like your warm tone, typical warm tone shades. Very nice, guys. Very nice, very creamy and buttery. The metallic shades in here are also really, really nice, beautiful, beautiful. It's very sparkly. Kind of reminds me of Pat McGrath shimmery shadows. If you're looking for like similar to Pat McGrath, the shimmers in here are very, very similar. Next one I'm going to show you is the Charlotte Tilbury Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize. $75, I know, but oh my god. Oh, so pretty. And this one has one purple shade, one red shade. This was so good too, so good, creamy and buttery. Oh my goodness, I forgot to show you guys I forgot to show you like my jewel tone palettes. So I'm just gonna continue with my warm tone shades for now. Another great one is the Natasha Denona mini palette. This is a mini palette, but this is so good and buttery. Oh my goodness, this is the best $25 mini $25 mini eyeshadow palette. This one is so good. I highly recommend the minis, and I'm thinking of getting her mini and glam palette because her glam palette, the big size, is sold out right now. I was going to purchase it yesterday, but it's sold out everywhere. Beautylish, her from Beautylish, and also from Sephora. And I just don't wanna order anything from her because I heard so many negative things about her website. Ordering from her, it takes forever. They overcharge the cost. They overcharge, so I don't want to deal with that. Okay, so next, another Natasha Denona. This one's the bronze eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, amazing. Very, very creamy, beautiful, everyday warm tone shades. I mean, I would, pay $165 for her eyeshadow palettes, not the 129 because those are just so expensive. But this one, I would buy her a $65 eyeshadow palettes. And then next one, guys, is the Lunar Beauty excuse me, Lunar Beauty Turner Eclipse. This is a cool tone, a warm tone combination of cool tone shades, warm tone shades, and the best combo, guys. I mean, I have another one that I'm going to show you, but this one is so good. And this metallic shade right here, this one I'm wearing right here, it adds like shine shimmer to the eyes. Just apply this on top of your like anything, guys, and it will make your eye makeup look really, really nice. So this one is so good. It's a combination of neutral cool tone shades, and I do not like to buy cool tone eyeshadow, just in general eyeshadow palettes, but this one has got to be like my favorite combination. And then the last, like the neutral one, is the number one on my list, still number one, is the Supreme Nudes from Artist Couture. Oh my god. This one is like, this was my first like neutral mixture of cool tone and neutral, sorry, girls, combination of neutral and cool tone shades. And oh my god, I still like this palette. I need to use this one again. Oh my god, this is gonna be so pretty. Oh my god, the mattes are very easy to use, very, very, very blendable. The metallics are amazing, guys. These are like the amazing eyeshadow palettes. And then I forgot to share, guys, like my jewel tone shades. I only have two here because I know I'm into warm tone shades, but these are my favorite cool jewel tone shades or jewel tone palettes. So this one is the KVD Beauty. This one's still on sale, guys. Edge of Reality eyeshadow palette for $30 on Sephora and also on Ulta.com. So this one is a very, very nice palette, and you can see, oh my god, the jewel tones, the shimmers are so good. I just wish it had more matte shades. The matte shades are not super pigmented. They are very buildable, not patchy at all. So, and the metallics are also really nice. I like the recyclable packaging though, because there's so much wasteful products out there. So many, so much, many, so much. Okay, so next one or the last one from my collection, my favorite palettes from my collection is the Makeup by Mario Master Metallics. I personally do not like the masks because they are just so patchy. I don't know why, what it is. I do not like the Master Mattes from Makeup by Mario, sorry. But I really, oh my goodness, like this one, guys. Kind of reminds me of the new luxury eyeshadow palettes from Charlotte Tilbury that I just did my first impressions on my channel. So this one is the Master Metallics, and this one is a jewel tone eyeshadow palette. And look at all these beautiful, like creamy, or like say, I think say creamy, say cream to powder type of eyeshadow palette. And look at all these beautiful shades, guys. They're so pretty. Oh my god, I need to use this one again. I have so many, I buy so many eyeshadow palettes. I like to collect eyeshadow palettes more than complexion products. I mentioned this one over and over on my channel. This is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.